If you've ever had to upload files to G Drive to be able to share with someone, one quick trick that I have for you is to zip those files, especially if you're working on a complicated project that has various folders and subfolders that keeps things very nice and organized. You're going to want to zip that. And the reason for that is because if we're looking at my example and I put in various just files, and let's say, now I'm the receiver of these files and I have to go and download them. What ends up happening is that the files get downloaded in chunks. So there's various zip files. Some of them are just themselves. So as you can see, just for everything that is within my test folder, it created 4 separate things essentially. So one that's the full video, and then 3 that are zip files. And now I have to unzip those things, and it won't retain the file structure. Now for something like this, there really is no file structure, it's not a big deal. But if you're working on, an audio project, like a song, or you're making a movie in Premiere and stuff like that, again, you're gonna want to retain that organization. So the best way to do it is to take your original stuff, the master folder, zip that, like I've done here, and upload that. That way, when the user receives that, G Drive will force it to download it as that singular file zipped like this. And when I unzip it, it retains everything, including the file structure. So that's an easy workaround to do it. Now, of course, depending on your internet speed and things like that, it's going to take a while, especially if it's a bigger file. But, I found it works best. Again, like for me, especially with complicated projects and people working in different places, like for sound design, right? I can have 300 gigs worth of audio that I need to send, and it needs to be maintained. So I zip that up, upload it. Yes, it takes a day or so to truly fully upload with the internet speed I have, but Edgar, my sound designer, gets it all and doesn't have to worry about having a mess on his hands. So this is just a neat little trick. Of course, you can utilize the Google Drive app. That works too, but that means giving access to various accounts to multiple places, and that could be a little bit messy. So this is just kind of the low tier, easy way to do it when you're sharing with people and don't want to share accounts.
If you found something useful, consider subscribing, liking, commenting, and sharing with friends, and you can explore my films, books, and writing at philsvitek.com. And if you want deeper access, direct interaction, and ways to support my creative work, I have a Patreon page. Everything's linked in the description. However you engage, thanks for being a part of it.